A man on a motorbike kicks off the holiday season in a Santa suit as he cruises through downtown Paris on a mission to spread holiday cheer. His helmet cam recording the joy he brings along the way. But Santa's jolly ride is about to take a serious detour. A car plows into a pedestrian in a crosswalk, cracking the vehicle's windshield. And the driver doesn't stop, so Santa jumps into action. He pulls in front of the hit-and-run driver, who appears ready to give herself up. But it's a ruse. As the car speeds off, Santa takes off after it.
Désolé le feu rouge, désolé. Ah, là, là, là.
While the driver seems willing to do just about anything to shake the unrelenting motorcyclist, Santa remains undeterred, staying close behind. As he closes the gap, he switches to a more Santa-like tack.
Faut la calmer, faut la calmer, faut la calmer, faut la calmer. Arrête-toi, 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 arrête-toi. Ça va aller, stop, stop, faut arrêter, faut arrêter. Faut arrêter, éteins.
But his kinder, gentler approach
Éteins, éteins. Ah, voilà.
fails to stop her.
Ah, je choque.
Moments later, the Yuletide Crusader flags down 2 police officers.
Monsieur, monsieur, il y a une voiture qui vient d'écraser quelqu'un et là, elle essaye de s'échapper, c'est là. Là.
They eventually catch up to the driver. And finally, place her under arrest. Thanks to the holiday vigilante, some good old-fashioned holiday street justice is served.
C'est pas Noël, ça mérite un selfie, ça, franchement.